Feeling overwhelmed with work? What if I told you that AI can save you 40 hours every week? In this video, I'll show you 5 game-changing AI tools that will transform how you work. Whether you're a student, professional, or entrepreneur, these tools will help you work smarter, not harder. Let's dive in. First up is ChatGPT, the ultimate AI assistant. This tool can save you hours by automating repetitive tasks like writing emails, brainstorming ideas, or even planning your week. For example, you can ask it to draft a professional email or create a to-do list for your project. It's like having a personal assistant available 24/7. And the best part? The free version is incredibly powerful, but if you need advanced features, the paid plan is worth every penny. Next is Notion AI, your all-in-one productivity tool. This tool can save you hours by automating meeting notes, creating to-do lists, and even generating blog posts. Imagine having your entire life organized in one place. This tool makes it possible. For example, you can use it to summarize long documents or create a project timeline in seconds. The free version is great for starters, but the paid plan unlocks advanced features like AI-powered templates. Say goodbye to taking notes during meetings. Otter.ai transcribes conversations in real time, so you can focus on the discussion instead of scribbling down notes. This tool is a game changer for students and professionals alike. For example, you can use it to record lectures, interviews, or team meetings. The free plan gives you 30 minutes of transcription per meeting, but the paid plan offers unlimited transcription and advanced search features. Need high-quality content? Jasper AI can save you hours by generating blog posts, ad copy, and more in minutes. It's perfect for marketers and entrepreneurs who want to scale their content creation without sacrificing quality. For example, you can use it to write SEO-optimized articles or create engaging social media captions. The paid plan is a bit pricey, but it's worth it if you're serious about content creation. Finally, Motion automates your calendar and task management, saving you hours every week. It prioritizes tasks, schedules meetings, and even reschedules them if something comes up. For example, you can use it to block time for deep work or automatically adjust your schedule when a meeting runs late. The paid plan is a bit of an investment, but it's like having a personal assistant for your time management. And there you have it, 5 AI tools that can save you 40 hours every week. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.